Good morning, Sudarshan Reddy Gudur. Diabetes curing. I'm already explained how diabetes affects and how diabetes can be cured in my previous videos. I'm going to explain briefly diabetes curing medicines. Modern doctors did not cure a single diabetes patient in the world so far. Modern doctors did not cure a single diabetes patient in the world so far. But there won't be diabetes patient in the world just in 5 days with my diabetes theories and researchers. I will cure the total diabetes patients diabetes just in 5 days, sitting in my place in my home. As a diabetes is not a sugar subject, diabetes is a neuroenzyme subject. There are two power systems in our body, like in two power systems in our domestic electricity, that is voltage and wattage. Body voltage is controlled by BP. All our body cells produces voltage to our body. Body wattage means that the work which we do with the power which we helps us to do all the our domestic all our physical works, that is called neuroenergy. If your neuroenergy decreases, all the neuro problems develops, like all neuro problems, cancer, diabetes, schizophrenia, sinus, like many neuro diseases. Diabetes is a neuroenergy subject. When there are two systems which affect the neuroenergy of the body. One is sugar level. If sugar level increases in the body, neuroenergy conductivity decreases in the body. Second was the infection. Infections obstruct all body cells to produce in producing power system. Then neuroenergy decreases in the body. There are three diabetes stages. There are three types of diabetes: type 1, type 2, and type 3. Not type only not only just two types. Doctors don't know how type 1 diabetes works. There are two types in type 1 diabetes. One is severe viral infection affects type 1 diabetes in children. Second one, over medication also affects type 1 diabetes in children. As children don't have much immune power in the body, then many viral infection attacks them. Then viral infection decreases body neutrons to very very low levels. Then type 1 diabetes affects in the children. Sugar level decreases to very very low levels, so diabetes also decreases to very very low levels. Stage 2 or stage 1 diabetes stages. Then sugar level increases to 450 and 500 plus onwards. Second one is over medication also affects type 1 diabetes in children. Type 1 diabetes is hyponeuroenergy diabetes. Hyponeuroenergy diabetes, that means low neuroenergy diabetes. Because these above two factors decreases body neuroenergy to very very low levels very very fastly. That's why the diabetes is called hyponeuroenergy diabetes. Second one is, everybody know, that is hyperglycemic diabetes. Due to over sugar level in the body, diabetes affecting the body. Type 3 diabetes is hypoglycemic diabetes. Hypoglycemic diabetes. When sugar level decreases to very very low levels, then diabetes affecting the patients, children patients, adult patients, weak people, and those go on fasting. Because in all of these people, sugar level decreases to very very low levels, then body could not produce sufficient neuroenergy to the body due to very very low sugar level. Then heart fails due to insufficient neuroenergy. Almost 99% people will die with the type 3 hypoglycemic diabetes. That's why patients and weak people and diabetes patients and must be fed with a glucose water or some easy food, so that their sugar level couldn't decrease to very, very low levels. I request all the ladies to please don't practice fasting for long hours, because after 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock sugar level decreases, because modern food did not contains very much power than the olden days organic food. That's why sugar level decreases to 1 o'clock or so. Then they will face low neuroenergy, a low sugar level. Then they face hypoglycemic diabetes. Almost it will be fatal diabetes. We know that 72 fasting sugar level is 70 to 100 healthy sugar level. Post lunch sugar is 100 to 150 or 160 is healthy sugar level. But 70 to 75 is absolute sugar level of the fasting absolute sugar. 100 or 105 or 106 is fasting sugar is post lunch sugar is absolute post lunch sugar level. When there is absolute sugar level in the body, then there will be absolute healthy neuroenergy in the body. 0 to 70 or 70 to 0 body sugar level. If body sugar level increases, then body neuroenergy also increases. If body sugar level decreases from 70 to 0, body neuroenergy or immune power also decreases to 7 to in the process. That's why 70 to 0 to 100 or 100 to 0 body sugar level and body neuroenergy directly proportionate to each other. If sugar level increases, neuroenergy increases. If sugar level decreases, neuroenergy decreases. On the other side, 100 to 500 plus onwards, if body sugar level increases, then body neuroenergy or immune power decreases. If body sugar level comes back from 500 to 100, then body neuroenergy increases to healthy sugar level. Body neuroenergy increases to healthy neuroenergy. That means 0 to 500 plus onward or 500 to 100 sugar level onwards, body sugar level and body neuroenergy inversely proportionate to each other. Let me tell you the diabetes curing Ayurvedic medicines. Tippatiga, a wonderful Ayurvedic medicine which cures diabetes. Patient has to eat 4 to 5 leaves in the morning. That's all. He has to eat 5 leaves every day. In after 7-8 weeks, his diabetes will be cured completely. Diabetes cured in me in that process. As I am ate 5 leaves early in the morning, after 7-8 weeks, diabetes cured completely. But patient has to eat the diabetes, this Tippatiga leaves or Amrutavali leaves regularly. Moreover, the leaves improves many neuro problems in the body. I will show the Tippatiga leaves. This is Tippatiga leaves. It grows abundantly and widely. It never dies even if we did not give water even for 1 year. The plant never dies if even we did not give water to even 1 year. It is wild and vast plant throughout our states, in nearby states, Telangana and the nearby states, maybe throughout the India. This is very, very safe medicine. It is not makes any complications or any other problems. If any diabetes patient, if he eats regularly these leaves, 4 to 5 leaves in the every day, then diabetes will be cured in 2-3 months, in just 2 months or with 1.5 month. I did not take any medicines. I did not taken any food restriction, even though diabetes cured in 7 or 8 weeks. But if I would have taken medicines, sugar medicines, if you have practice control, sugar control, if you have maintained strict diet food, then it would have cured very, very easily. So, people, diabetes people, please try to eat these leaves. This is very, very safe leaves. It will be cure diabetes in 4-5 months. If in 1-2 months, then patient has to eat the leaves regularly. Jai Hind.